Hello to all. In Today we're going to start a new course in Odoo 14. The admin side and the controller side. The course is created in Odoo 14, but you can also create or start the course in Odoo 15, 16, and 17 version also. But the course currently it's in Odoo 14. The course is related to tenders. In a company start. Tenders or when a company buy or sell something, so they need a third party person, and they announce something. If he buy something, so he announce or advertise something that we need this thing. So he advertise a tender. This is a tender. This is the admin part of the tender, and we will cover also the controller part or website of the tender. Suppose if we write a tender, and this is the controller side of the tender, or you can say this is the website of the tender. So in the website you can see everything is going fantastic. This is the portal side or website, and this is the admin side. We in this course we will cover both of the sides, admin side and controller side. If you check the admin side, so admin side, we will mostly cover different type of things. For example, in this page, this form view, you can see this is the tender related information, the tender fields, and also notebook. You can check this is the advertisement. This is the document tender. This is the horizontal and environment of the tenders. So this is the related of what this is the related of. Uh, this is the related documents, PDF document, and we also cover the Excel reports from action view of the current form view, and we also cover the threat of the page. We cover the security, and we cover the also the delete option, and add the record from the controller side that will seen by the admin, and you can check everything here in this course. This course will be very interesting. So I think it's the first course we will cover in very short videos. I think it will be 30 to 40 videos. We will cover the both side of the admin side and the controller side. If you check it's for short time, if you search that the controller side of this course, this is the controller, and the data come from the admin side and showing is a website. Okay, and you can see this is the tenders come from the admin side, and you can also check the detail of the tenders. If I click the detail button, so you can check that there is a tender pictures and also the PDF reports and PDF requirement data of the tender is showing here. You can also download the PDF report from here. You can see, you can download it. You also download second. You also save the image also. This is the admin side. This is we can back from here. This is the search. If we search data through, if suppose we have multiple record and we search the data, so we can search its search wise. So if I click it, you can check. I can see only tender one. Okay, and also there is a button. Suppose if I open the tender. This is the posting date of the tender, and this is the closing date of the tender. If the closing date is not set, the tender will show inactive. If the closing date is set and the posting date is less than the closing date, the tender will show in the archive tender. Suppose this is the button, you can see recent tender. Recent tender mean you can see the active tender. This is a tender archive. The tender archive means a tender which closing date is sets, and its time is over, so it will auto show in the archive tenders. And you can also the tender see in the year wise. For example, If I click in 2024, so I can just the 20 tender related in 2024 years will show it. If I click in the tender the 2023, there is two tenders which related to 2023. So it's showing in the airwise also, and it's the buttons where we check the tender in recent tender and archive tender. And also we also set the paginator here. For example, if I duplicate the some tenders, two or three tenders, and if I reload the page, you can see the paginator here. So I refresh it, you can see this is the paginator of the tenders. Yeah, you can see it. So this is all about the tenders, and we will gonna start the course. We will cover the functional side and technical side in Odoo 15, but you can also apply the code in Odoo 15, 16, and 17 also. Keep in touch. Thank you.